Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, and then make sure you take advantage of the Webull promotion. I have a link below for Webull. It's a trading platform. There's only a few days left where you literally can deposit 1 penny and get 5 free stock worth up to $8,300. The link below. All right, let's talk about the market. So, Omicron is weighing heavy on the stock market. It is beating the stock market down entirely. All right. So as it stands right now at this time, the Dow is down 600 points. It was down 650 points when I looked a minute ago. NASDAQ negative 241, the S&P negative 73. All right. It is not a good day in the market. It's a bloodbath. And if you look at the Dow, this is like the sixth negative trading day. It's literally been going, if you really look at it, it's been correcting itself. I'm not saying it's a correction. I'm saying it's been correcting itself. We'll talk about that later. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. The second thing that's weighing on the stock market, Senator Joe Manchin, I believe he's a Democrat in a Republican state, said he is not going to vote for the BBB, Build Back Better bill, which is the Democrats' bill. It's kind of like stimulus part 3 or 4 plus infrastructure bill part 2. It has all of this stuff in there, tax credits, more money for infrastructure and that type of deal. But just like in any other politicians or any other politics, there is a bunch of pork in there also. All right. I do believe that they will come to an agreement. He will pass it. But right now it's weighing negative because it was going to be positive for the stock market. All right. So I believe they'll come to terms with that. These guys do what they do. Politicians, this is what they do. Dog and pony show. All right. Let's keep it moving. I did buy some Apple. I bought some shares of Apple. No, I did not buy Apple, good people. I don't have my glasses on. I bought some shares of Tesla at $8.95. And Larry, do you believe that's the bottom? No, I'm holding Tesla long term. So I bought some shares at $8.95. And here's why. This is long term. I'm not going to sell until way past 2025. Okay. So I believe by the end of 2025, Tesla could be above $3,000 a share. So at $8.95 a share, it's a steal for me. All right. I'm patient. We're holding. Now, let's talk about NIO for a quick second. Look at what's happening with NIO. Further tanking, just like we thought. And if you look at, let's go here. So if you look at here, you'll see that it is a lot of selling, just like we thought. There's buying and there's selling, right? And so right now, NIO is fighting. And so I didn't purchase anymore. A lot of people thought it was going to be pumping this morning, but the overall market pulled it down. I believe that if this Omicron variant wasn't spreading like this, that it would be a really good day for NIO. A really good day for NIO. That's what I believed. And then, but keep in mind, some of the people were looking for the exit plan. So I believed it was going to have a pop. And then a lot of people that are done with Chinese stock just wanted to get out. We're going to take their money and run. So we'll see what the end of the day. If the fight continues, NIO could win. All right. And be positive, a little more than it is now. Right now, because it was kind of flat this morning. It went from negative to flat. And let's see what the end of the day holds. So I believe I covered everything here on my phone. But just remember this. There's 2 more things that is weighing on the stock market. You have the early taper from the Feds, and then you have higher interest rates coming next year, Q1. the end of Q1 or the beginning of spring. The Feds have talked about 3 interest rate hikes, but it could be 4, right? Me personally, I believe that inflation is going to start tapering off in the 3rd quarter of next year, right? I believe that our distribution chain and all of that will start freeing up, will start catching up at that point. And I believe that will start to bring inflation down. We're still looking at banks long term because right now for next year, because banks make money on higher interest rates. And also too, it is the real estate market, right? Rates are going to go up and it's going to be more expensive to buy a home. Therefore, I believe that the inflation in the real estate market is going to start to cool off also because I'm looking to buy, right? I'm looking to buy somewhere in a warm climate, but I'm being patient and I'm waiting. And I suggest you be patient and look for opportunities in time like this. And I'm going to end by saying, listen, it is time to be investing and not trading at this period. All right. Though we're going to be doing some more trading, it's time to be investing. Hey, you guys have been knocking it out of the park by buying the $1 Million Cup of Coffee. All right. And remember, 100% of my proceeds are going to charity. We thank you guys. Make sure you check out all the links below. Make sure that you take advantage. There's a couple of days left of this Webull promotion. Download my link below, deposit 1 penny, get 5 free stock up to $8,300. This has been a midday update. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn. And pray for my allergies.